Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with one of my all-time faves again, and this is the Incipio DualPro case for the Samsung Galaxy S10. So I reviewed the DualPro probably just about more than any case I've ever reviewed in the history of mankind. And I love this case because not only does it have a fairly minimalistic profile, but it has outstanding protection. I mean, we're talking 10 feet of drop protection. It's got a two-layer design. It's got a hard polycarbonate outer shell with a soft TPU inner shell. Comes in multiple color combinations. It's got a silky smooth finish on it that really is kind of indescribable for the polycarbonate material that they use. And it also has a fantastic warranty. So all of this can be yours for the low price of $29.99. And I guess you would call it low price. That's about the only thing I'm not the craziest about, but really when you talk about the competition, most anything else that you're going to look at in this price range is not going to offer you nearly the amount of all the other bells and whistles that comes along with this case. So again, big fan of this one. Two-part system, soft inner shell, hard outer shell. They work together. It's like the dynamic duo of cases. So whereas Batman and Robin, they work together to fight crime, these two work together to fight impact and damage to your phone, keeping it nice and safe. So it comes in multiple color combinations. This one is probably my favorite. This is the iridescent red and black. So they go together really well. They also have a clear and pink. So if that's your color choice, that'll work for you. They've got clear and clear, which is the first time that they've ever had that. So you can get a clear version of this. And then they have black on black. So 4 different cool color options that let you pick your individual style choice to complement your phone. It's got 2 layers of defense, military grade drop protection. Those 2 layers work together for shock absorbing, scratch resistance, everything you could think of under the sun to keep your phone protected. So let's go ahead and put it on the phone. So the way you would go ahead and install this, you take the soft inner shell, you put that on the phone first. So you got this nice soft finish on there. It's rubberized, it protects your phone. And then you take the hard outer shell and you put that over it, and their powers combined. No, it's not Captain Planet, it's the Incipio DualPro. So there we go. Now everything should be nice and in place. So make sure you get everything lined up and snug on there. But like I said, it has a really silky smooth finish to it, which is really surprising. I mean, because it is a polycarbonate shell, and I guess it's almost like velvety. If you ever owned one of these cases before, then you know what I'm talking about. But it's got a really nice feel to it. You got the cool Incipio logo there. Here we have our easy access to get to the USB-C connector, the microphone, also the the 3.5mm headphone jack. As you can see with that though, it's not the largest cutout ever, so you might have trouble getting overly large connectors into there. Here though, you should be able to plug in pretty much any kind of USB dongle or charging cable, but you're going to have trouble with getting the media adapter in there just because it's so bulky. So if you have a bulky adapter you want to try and plug in, you're probably going to be out of luck. Now the case does have excellent button support, has nice tactile responsive feedback, offers a nice little satisfying click. Then my Zoom does not like to pick up these buttons. There we go, it's probably about the best it's going to get. So, got the Bixby button, got the volume up and down button. Here we go with the camera. It looks really, really gorgeous. And the way that the light catches it, you got the nice recessed cutout there, so you've got excellent protection for your cameras in case you put your phone down. You don't have to worry about scratching them up. And then you've also got the oversized lip that you have here on the top and the bottom that give you that raised protection for your screen as well. And this is ultra super important when it comes to the Samsung Galaxy S10 or the 10 Plus, just because there's no glass screen protectors that really work for it. I mean, I think they have some, maybe Zag now, that's got a hole for you to use the fingerprint sensor, which I can't stand, but largely you're going to be using a film style screen protector with this, so you want all the extra protection that you can get. So you get that oversized top and bottom there to keep your phone safe in case you place it down, and you're good to go that way. So overall, I'm a big fan of this case. I really am. I've used it for so many different phones, and I really like that even though it's very protective. It's not overly bulky. I mean, it's just got a nice solid fit on the phone overall. It doesn't really compromise the form factor, and the colors are very complementary as well. Now, in the past, I have noticed that kind of here in the center, it's been more apt to pick up little surface abrasions, but because of the matte style finish, it doesn't really show too bad. So that's not really too much of a concern. Just don't go scratching it around on rocks and all that good stuff. I take really good care of my phones and my phone cases, and I'm very careful about where I place them. So it's not really been ever much of an issue for me, but just a consideration out there. If anyone asks the questions, of course, there's nothing that prevents it from making contact with the surface, but it's ultra protective, 10 feet of drop protection, got the 1-year warranty and all that jazz. So again, this is the Incipio DualPro for the Samsung Galaxy S10. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I will get back with you. And thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.